Okay, all here I'm going to show you how easy it is to add the Waitbusters weight line widget to a Wix site. So the first thing we're going to do is log in to our Waitbusters site. This is assuming obviously you've already gone ahead and registered, which is no big deal. I've shown it in other videos. So you've registered, you're in, you're at the home screen. So what we want to do today is we're going to do a widget builder. We're going to build a widget. And what we're going to do is we're going to open up our Wix website editor. So if you've had Wix, you're very familiar with this. What we're going to do is go ahead, now that we know where we want to place the widget, we're going to go back to here and we're going to customize this. To customize this, we're going to go ahead and actually take some colors from the site. So we're going to use this color and use this color. And the way we use that is we use this imagecolorpicker.com. Really useful. So I'm going to go ahead, upload my image. I'm going to pick one. And go ahead, picture our main one. Choose. Send the image. Here's my image. And go ahead, get the color. And go ahead and copy the HTML code or hex value. Copy it. And go to my Waitbusters site. So I'm going to see, I think I'm going to put that on the background. So I go to the form background color. Like this, copy and paste it in there. Okay, I like that. It doesn't really mesh with the rest. So I'm going to go ahead and upload another color. Come back here, upload, select the file. Go ahead and pick this one, choose it, send the image up. Okay. Kind of a mixture here. I like it. I go ahead and copy the code. Come back to Waitbusters, and I want to change the top part. Change it to this. Okay. All right. So I feel it has a little bit more of the type of color scheme of this web page, and you can copy any of these colors and put them in there. We're just doing this for now. I'm going to also do the same then for the button. Go ahead and change this. Boom. Okay, get in line now, and keep in mind if I can change these at any time, like I said. So we'll just leave it at this for now, just so you can see, and then you can play around with it too. I could actually change that a little bit or make it darker. Okay, I like that. I like the darker blue a little bit better, maybe even a little more subtle. So you see, you can do that. I could change the font. I like this yellow here. So I'm going to go ahead and change the clock color. Nice. And then change the font. Nice. Okay. I like that. I'm happy with the rest of this. I mean, I can change other things. Maybe the background I find too yellow. Maybe I want to make it a little bit more white. Oh yeah, I like that better. So I'm going to use that. I can change obviously the font for Robotoslab. And I don't know, let's say Libre Franklin. I like that. I want to be consistent. Oh wait, that's not the same. Boom, consistent. I'm liking that pretty well. Not liking really how dark that is. I mean, how light that is. So the form field text, I'm going to darken so people can read it. You know what? I don't really like this either. So line button background, I want to make it a little bit more blue, more consistent. There, I'm liking that better. So here I have, I've created this widget pretty easily, I would say. And then the next step is to go ahead and add this to the web page, to my Wix site. So I hit this. I want to use widget code here. Hit copy. I get a success message. I go to the Wix website. Now I'm going to add. So I hit add here. here. I go down to more. I hit HTML code and drag that over here. I position it where I think it should be. I enter the code. I could choose website, but no, we have code. That's what I want to enter. I update. Okay. I say allow, because that's going to allow. What we see here is that it's a little too big. I need to adjust. So I'm adjusting. Fine. Just here. Maybe just a little bit here. Okay. We can let this go. Now we're going to see what it looks like. We're first going to save it. We're going to publish it. View the site and see if it's on there. And indeed, the widget shows up. Now there's currently no wait line, so we're going to go ahead and change that. Done. We're going to go back to, to my Waitbusters site. Here we go. We're going to close this. We're going to go over to Manage Guests. I'm going to set the wait line. I can choose a time or a range. It's starting to get crowded, so it's going to be 10. I want to give a range. Yeah, so we'll say 10 to 15 minutes. I start the line. We're good to go. I go back to my Wix website. Now you can see this is there. I'm going to save again. I'm going to publish. I'm going to view the site. And allow, let's see, of course. Now the widget here. I'm going to see it's working. Let's see, Jeremy, phone number 571-213-6147. Get person's one, get in line. Congratulations, we said 7. Okay, it looks like it's working. So that person got the phone number. And let's just double check now that, where are we? Widget Builder, we go back to Manage Guests. And indeed, the person's in line. So, folks, you've seen it. That's how simple it is to add the Waitbusters wait line widget to your website. Thanks. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and great luck and good luck.